Let's go through what a skilled summer's application video should look like. Remember, these are just basic suggestions and you can go as creative with them as you can. These are just the basic examples of what we know that the camps are looking out for. Don't hesitate to stand out from the rest by showing off your personality and all of your skills in your own way.
In the video, convince us that you're passionate about your skill set and your coaching experience. Camp directors are specifically looking out for your experience working with children, coaching, as well as how excited you are about the culture exchange. Don't take up minutes of your video telling us how you want to see the Big Apple and the Grand Canyon, but do tell us all about the experience you spent volunteering in schools and local communities. You've coached children before? We want to hear about it. Maybe you've got younger siblings that you used to look after. Both points are golden, so make sure you include them.
So you use a bunch of different clips of examples of your skill sets, glue them into one, and then you could always layer it with voiceovers or different sound effects. Do it on your laptop or on your phone because there's a bunch of different free programs out there for you to use. Step 1, you got to think about 3 questions that would be the pillar of your application. What are my skills? Why do I want to go to camp? And why should camp hire me?
Step number 2, get rid of all distractions. Make sure you're in a place with plenty of light and it's you that we're focusing on.
And step number 3, hit record and smile. Remember to introduce yourself and go through the plan that you've made. And it might not work out the first time, but just keep it going. Trust me, it'll work out just fine. Let's give it a go.
Hello, my name is Bart, I'm 23 years old and this is my Skilled Summers application video.
I'm really invested in the cultural exchange aspect of this program to see the comparison between life in Europe as well as some of the big cities of America. I heard that the portion sizes are humongous there and the people are just filled with care and love. I'm a huge fan of hiking and I heard that some of the national parks of America are one of the best in the world. Additionally, I have a passion for teaching and working with children. I have volunteered at my local gymnastics centre where I used to coach children between the ages of 6 to 12. I also grew up with 4 younger brothers, so you can imagine the chaos that I'm used to at home. I used to teach them and look after them whenever the parents were away. And we used to get into all sorts of adventures as well as trouble. So I reckon I could tackle a camp full of campers.
For my 3 skills, I have selected photography, football and gymnastics. Photography I have done for over 8 years and have owned a Sony Alpha camera for the past 5 years. I always take it travelling and use it to take photos of friends and take it to family events.
I've played football all throughout school, also played Sunday League. At university I've decided to carry on my fitness through lacrosse and volleyball, basketball and became the club captain for the Bangor University lacrosse team.
I play in goal and often help out in the training sessions. Gymnastics I've done since I was 12 years old and would often help out with the volunteering part of things, helping set it up for the younger kids and to help coach some friends and general maintenance around the gymnastics centre. I actively still train and always try and develop my skill set in that way. I think I'd be an asset to the team at summer camp because I think I've got excellent communication skills as well as teamwork, which has been demonstrated through my contribution to my university societies, being on the committee and also helping run some events. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video and I hope to see you in the summer. Thank you very much.
That's it, that's all you need to know, but if you're still unsure, don't hesitate to reach out so we can gloss over what you have. But for now, I hope you have the tools and the ideas of how you can take your application video to the next level. On behalf of the Skilled Summers team, thank you very much for watching and we can't wait to see the application videos that you guys are crafting. See you guys in the summer.